Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix unidentified network error. Alright, let's begin. First, open the search menu from the bottom of your screen and type in Control Panel. Once you find it, open the application and you will be redirected to a new window. Here, look for the Network and Sharing Center tab and click on it. You will then see your Wi-Fi name displayed at the top. Click on your Wi-Fi name and a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Next, click on the Properties button located at the bottom left corner and another pop-up window will show up. Inside this window, find the Internet Protocol version 4 feature, click on it, and then select Properties. Make sure that the option for Automatic IP Address is selected. If it is, go ahead and close the window. Now, scroll down a little bit and disable the version 6 feature. Finally, close the pop-up window and the error will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix unidentified network error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.